Bonjour, I am Jacques Torres and welcome to Tuesday Tips. Fall, apples, beautiful season for all those fall foods. I want to show you a tart that I grew up with, not because I am from Alsace, the specialty is in Alsace. I am not from Alsace, but the chef, when I was doing my apprenticeship, was Alsatian, he was from Alsace, and he taught me how to make something called Alsacienne apple tart, which is an apple tart with a mixture. It's almost like a quiche and an apple tart. It's in between. It's very creamy and it's delicious. So I showed you earlier a recipe where I did a clafoutis with figs. So you use the same technique for the dough. So I pre-baked the dough. So now it's ready to go. And I have 200 grams of cream, 50 grams of milk, 60 grams of sugar. You mix all that together. And then we're going to add 1 yolk and 2 eggs. Okay, now I'm going to add my eggs. And we are ready to go. Okay, you can use an immersion blender if you want, or a whisk. Just be careful that everything is very well mixed together. Actually, I might use my immersion blender. No, it's okay. Everything mixes well. Okay, so something that I like to put with my apple is a little bit of vanilla. But the secret ingredients here is actually nutmeg. Nutmeg is delicious in that recipe. So let me take, I don't know if you use nutmeg, but in your potato puree, oh my God, nutmeg is so good. So you just grate a little bit of the nutmeg. Be careful to don't put too much. Okay, that's it. So it's about a quarter of the nut, and that's all it is. So I mix that all together. So you see, it looks like a quiche mixture. So what I'm going to do, I already peeled those apples. I'm going to put them inside my tart dough, just this way. So you take half or a quarter of the apple, make it flat, and then go around. So you see the techniques is quite simple, and actually it's pretty fast to do. Okay, and I like to have a lot of apple, of course. The apples will have a tendency of melting in the oven, so you can put a little bit more than what you think. And okay, let's put a little bit more here. One more half. Okay, here we go. And then we can put this one here on the center. And the rest for another recipe. Okay, so now all I have to do is put my mixture over. And I'm going to put that in the oven for about, my guess is a good half an hour, maybe 40 minutes. That's it. Now I'll show you when the tart comes out of the oven. Okay, the tart Alsacienne stay in the oven a good 40 to 45 minutes. And you can see here the cream cook around the apples and all the juice went inside the apple. It's a good tart. So let me cut a little piece. I'm going to put that on the plate. And when you pre-bake it like I did, the tart dough or shell stay crispy, and that's great. Okay, let's taste it. That definitely reminds me, friends, Bon appétit.